Cybersecurity is one of Kenya's most needed and fastest growing career opportunities currently. In this video, I'm going to be telling you why this is so, with the real proof of current developments happening as we speak. Welcome to EduSens Africa. This is where I bring you weekly videos about your educational and your career journey. I tell you what is happening in the educational sector when it comes to careers, employment, jobs, and developments in the education system as well. And I also bring you opportunities for scholarship and for funding that can help you achieve the dreams that you are working hard for when it comes to your profession. The rise of digitalization in Kenya has come with a lot of threats and security risks that only cybersecurity professionals can handle. In the first quarter of 2025, for example, the Communications Authority of Kenya recorded 2.5 billion cybersecurity threats. We are talking about 2.5 billion. You can imagine, count 1, 2, 3 until you reach 2.5 billion cybersecurity threats. This means that we need a lot of professionals who are actually trained to deal with cybersecurity risks when it comes to government institutions, banks, schools. Name any organization that is actually using technology and the internet. They definitely need people to help them manage these threats and risks so that they can thrive as they are doing their day-to-day activities. Cybersecurity is gaining a lot of attention both locally and regionally, and we have regional events that are actually being held in Nairobi. For example, the Third African Forum on Cybercrime and Electronic Evidence, which means that Nairobi is on the center stage of making sure that the African continent is aware about cybersecurity and is making the rightful steps to curb cyber threats as well as cyber insecurity. So if you've been thinking about doing something to do with computers and technology, you can consider cybersecurity, because I can assure you it is taking the center stage when it comes to STEM courses, and it is here to stay in the long run because it is needed hugely. Now you may be asking, why is cybersecurity marketable? I'm going to be giving you 4 good reasons to prove to you that cybersecurity is actually marketable and it's going to keep growing. One of the reasons is that there's actually a lot of demand than supply as we speak in the cybersecurity area. Very many companies and organizations are looking for professionals that have the right skills and they're able to protect their companies and protect their image as well as their systems when it comes to technological threats and internet threats. So if you think that you are able to go and concentrate on gaining the skills, you actually don't need to have a degree in the area. You can start from where you are, go do the courses and learn the skills. The skills are the most important bit of it. I can assure you that you are going to get a job and will actually thrive in your career in cyber security. The second reason is that this is an area that you can work basically everywhere. When you talk about schools, hospitals, government institutions, anything that uses the internet and uses technology, they are definitely going to need your skills, because they need to protect themselves and to protect their systems against people that want to attack them or people that want to take advantage of them. So whichever area you are interested in, you can do cybersecurity and you can be able to get a job in that specific sector. The third thing, which I have already mentioned, is that you do not need a degree for you to go into cybersecurity. Many people might ask me, I haven't studied it in school, I don't know, I don't have a degree, or so on and so forth. You can actually start today to study cybersecurity, do a course online, get the basics and advance from there onward without having a degree. You don't have an excuse to talk about degrees or papers and so on. All you need to do is decide, first of all, be serious about it and get the skills. The fourth reason is that you're actually going to get remote opportunities both locally and globally. Cybersecurity is not just there in Kenya or in Africa, it's there everywhere in the world. Talk about in America, Europe, Asia, basically everywhere. Everyone is looking for people that can help protect their systems, and you can do this right from the comfort of your home through remote jobs. Therefore, cybersecurity is not going to limit you to be in a place or to travel to a place for you to work in this sector, which means you can access jobs more readily and you can do it at the comfort of your home. I hope that the points I have shared with you have opened your eyes when it comes to cybersecurity. I have also done another video where I've talked about 10 most marketable courses in Kenya currently as we speak, in the STEM sector and also generally in the job market. If you're looking for career paths that you want to get into in this year 2026, these are videos that you must go and watch, because I have put in there very valuable information and very lucrative career paths you can consider. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.